Spencer's area.
Yeah, no kidding. What restaurant is this one?
I don't know.
I'm assuming it's an Asian one, but with the kitty cat on there. This is cool. Very cool. Okay, so this was the sushi bar.
Sorry.
That's okay. Yes, love it.
There's another Jared in the group.
Yep.
Sorry.
No, you're good. The sushi bar. This is the sushi bar. Ooh, look at that. Looks good. Cocktail bar, wine cellar, butcher's cut, Town Lounge. So, this is nice. Now this is, Disney has stuff similar to this. Little, I mean, obviously not exactly the same, but I like the touches they have in here. I will say that.
This is where they make their money.
Yeah.
Reynolds, aviation.
Oh yes, Aviation Gin, which he doesn't own anymore.
No.
Hopefully they have some good Canadian whiskey in here. Well, they got some Crown Royal, so that's okay.
Bailey's. I don't think Kevin uses this area this year.
This is Butcher's Cut. So here's your menus. Oh, Wagyu. Wagyu.
What does it cost?
$100. And their specialty dining packages. I'll add these into the.
Hi, Mom. Please get in. This is the menu.
Oh.
Thank you.
Check, sir. You already booked your reservation?
No, we're just looking.
All right.
Thank you.
Book your reservation now. Steakhouse.
So this is the Butcher's Cut. So let's have a quick boo around the restaurant here. Very nice. This is Fifth Avenue Restaurant in here. Then we got the crazy mirror-y hallway thing. I feel like I'm going off the launch in Star Wars.
Oh, I was gonna say Sean.
Yeah, that too, yeah. Nice camera.
Oh yeah,
Nice camera. It's the best, isn't it?
it is.
I'm finding the battery starting to die awful quick on ours though.
The extra handle?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it starts to go after a while.
Yeah. And we've only had this since August.
Oh, okay.
So,
When did we get ours?
Yeah, I did notice like it did die
Yeah, it died.
yesterday.
yeah.
I think we just need to get extras.
Yeah.
I'm sure you can buy the
Extra,
extra handle.
Yeah. But no, we like the convenience.
All right, let's see where we're at here. Oh. Cabaret Rouge. So this, I guess, would be the French restaurant. So, nice and cool in here. Like a little lounge. Very nice. Love the fact that so many washrooms on the MSC Seashore are gender neutral, men's and women's. Both use them. Makes things really easy for finding a washroom. For the gelato lovers, we got lemon, we have strawberry, lemon, strawberry, passion fruit, raspberry. Oh, that'd be good. Strawberry, mango, banana. Then we got coconut, tiramisu, vanilla, Piedmont hazelnut, pistachio.
So this place is also inside. Yeah.
Okay. Then we got stracciatella. I'm not sure what that is. Cappuccino, caramel, Camino yogurt, Chocolate and Azteco. And then we got some fun little treats here.